So over here you can see that I have my timeline, and in this video let's explore how we can go around and navigate around our timeline that we have right here. So let's just go ahead and pull this up, and you can see that there's some video clips on my timeline right here as well as audio clips right here. So in order to navigate, I can go around and use this timeline cursor. I can click and drag around these timeline cursor, and for the audio you can actually hear out that it actually plays out over here as well. So let me just go around and then scroll out, and you can see that there's the scroll bar for this video right here. If I were to go around and resize the timeline, you can see that I got individual scroll bars right here for the audio and video right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and then select out audio and delete this for a while so that we don't have the audio playing. And you can see that this is what you have. You got the videos right here, and you can go around and click and drag and so forth right here. I can go around and scroll out. So over here you can see that this is the 0 seconds, while this is 15 seconds right here. If you want to go ahead and change the time right here that you see, then you can use the zoom level for the timeline as well, which is located over here on the bottom. So you can go around and zoom out right here, as you can see. So you can zoom out so that you see more of the time in the same area, and then you can zoom in as well. You get the scroll bar over here on the bottom as well, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and zoom it way in right here, then you can see that this is what you have. You get a little scroll bar right here that you can click and drag out to go around and navigate as well. So besides the scroll bar to navigate, you can also use the hand tool right here, which allows you to click and drag out, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what you have. You can click and drag out. Let me just go around and resize this out right here, and in that case you can see that you can click and drag it out vertically as well as horizontally, as you can see right here, just like this. So let me just go around and pull this up over here and then zoom out right here. So that is how you can go around and click and drag around by using the hand tool to navigate around to the different location in the timeline right there, just like that. So if you want to go ahead and play, then of course you can use the play button right here, or you can press the space bar on your keyboard as well. So if I were to go around right here and hit the space bar, it plays around right here, as you can see, just like this. So it's freezing a bit, so sometimes it does, and that's normal. And we're back, it's unfreezed. So over here, if I were to press the space bar right here, then what happens is that it plays it out right here, and press the space bar again and it stops. For some reason it's freezing right here. But anyways, there's another shortcut keys that you have as well, that is JKL. So K is for stop, L is for playing it forward. Press L again and it plays in double the speed. L again plays at 4x the speed. And if you were to press J on your keyboard, then you play it backwards right here. J again, and then it goes faster and faster right here. Press K again to stop, and that is what you have right here. So JKL is another shortcut key that you can use. So if you were to use the greater than and less than sign on your keyboard, then what happens is that you can go around and then navigate out from your timeline one frame by one as well. So that is how you can go around and navigate around your timeline as well. And those are the options given to you to navigate around your timeline inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.